this is Matt Doctor for iGeekPhone.com and iTechNews.gr. Today I received a multi-USB charger from Choetech, a company that I have received several times from them similar gadgets, which I really like them, and I'm using them till now. They sent me this time the Choetech 72 watt with 4 ports of USB with wall charger, 60 watt USB power delivery at one charger with 4 charging ports, which you can charge laptop phones simultaneously and many more devices. It has 3 USB-A ports and 1 Type-C, if I have understood well. Well, this is the box that I received with the mail. This is how it looks, the box. USB-C desktop charger with power delivery. And here it has some info. So let's take it out. Thank you for choosing Choetech, a really good company for this kind of things. Let's open it. Really heavy stuff. So this is the main charger. What else we have here? A cable with a Chinese plug. A sticker from Choetech and a manual in English. So there is no adapter for it. So let me get an adapter and use it. So got an adapter. It's good to have several if you live outside of China. So let's plug it in. Ready? Let's open this one. So USB-C charging station, input 100 volt 200 to 240, 1.5 ampere maximum, and output is 3 ampere. For the USB Type-C and USB Type-A is 2.4 ampere, the maximum. So this is for the power. Alright, Choetech, as you can see it. And here it has 3 USB-A and 1 USB Type-C, which is for, it's a micro USB, or we're going to see. So this is a 60 watt power delivery, which combine charging technology, enables you to charge your MacBook and other PD enabled phones. And the 3 USB-A ports with smart charging technology can quickly and easily identify your devices and provide optimal charging efficiency. It has a guaranteed safety with certifications for overcharging, overheating or short circuit. Now, from what you can see, it contains the cable. It's about 1.5 meters long, the manual, 18-month warranty and a lifetime technical support. So let's connect it to the power and see it in action, how it works. All right, so nothing lights up. Now I'm going to take my big power bank to charge it. So I'm going to connect my Xiaomi power bank. Let's take the last one. And the power bank. As you can see, it started blinking, so it's charging. Let's take my other Xiaomi power bank, which is a flashlight at the same time, and also connect it. Here is also blinking, so it's also charging. Same time my mobile and the two power banks. And looks to works perfectly as should have. And as the gadgets from Choetech, all that I have received work very good, and they are all very good quality, I have to say. That's why I prefer them, and I really like when the company sends me something to review it, because she has of good quality gadgets. So read my review at igeekphone.com and check how you can get in yourself the Choetech 72-watt USB-C desktop charger. A really good device to choose and to be able to charge simultaneously 3 devices and a MacBook or your PD device. This is Matt Doctor for iGeek Phone. Bye.